Hello, students. Now let us see the very short answer questions. Now let us see the short answer questions. Define the term management. Define the term management. There are two definitions for management. Henry Fayol is given, and another definition is given by Peter F. Drucker. Henry Fayol says to manage is to forecast, to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate, and to control. Henry Fayol says to manage is to forecast, to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate, and to control. Peter F. Drucker says, management is a multi-purpose organ that manages a business and manages the manager and manages a worker and work. Peter F. Drucker says, management is a multi-purpose organ that manages a business and manages a manager and manages a worker and work. It is enough to write one definition, only one definition. The next question is, differentiate management from administration. Any three. Differentiate management from administration. On the basis of comparison, it is explained. Management versus administration, meaning an organized way of managing the people and things of a business organization is called management. An organized way of managing the people and things of a business organization is called management. Administrationங்கிறது the process of administering an organization by a group of people is known as administration. Key person, basis of difference on the key person. Manager is a key person. Here, administrator is the key person. Work. Putting the plans and policies into actions. Putting the plans and the policies into action. Here, in administration, formulation of plans, framing policies, and setting objectives. Formulation of plans, framing policies, setting objectives. Function. Management is executive and governing functions. Executive and governing functions. But here in administration, it is legislative and determinative function. Legislative and determinative function. Authority. Management is middle and lower level. Management is middle and lower level. Administration is always in the top level. Administration is always in the top level. Third question is, what are the principles of Taylor? Here there are 5 principles. It is enough to explain 3. And the headings will enough for 3 more question. Short answer question. What are the principles of Taylor? Principles of scientific management is propounded by F.W. Taylor. The first one is science, not rule of thumb. Science, not rule of thumb. Selecting the best way of performing a job. Selecting the best way of performing a job through application of scientific analysis and by intuition or hit and trial methods. Harmony, not discord. There should be a complete harmony. There should be a complete harmony between the worker and the management. Mental revolution. There should be a change in the attitude of workers and management towards each other. Importance of each other should be recognized. Importance of each other should be recognized. Cooperation, not individualism. Development of each and every person to his greatest efficiency and prosperity. Last question is, what determines the span of management? What determines the span of management? Span of management refers to the number of subordinates who can be managed efficiently by a superior. Span of management has two implications. Span of management has two implications. Influences the complexities of the individual manager's role. Influences the complexities of individual manager's role. Determine the shape or configuration of the organization. In the wider span, there will be less hierarchical levels. In the wider span, there will be less hierarchical levels. In the narrow span, the hierarchical levels increases and hence the organizational structure would be tall. Okay, students, thank you.